Hi everybody, my name is Lakidra. I work in technical support for MrSteam, and today we're going to talk about how to change the PC board in your MrSteam steam generator. First things first, shut off the power to the generator. If you have anything plugged into the right side of the generator, such as your controller, an iGenie or Steam Genie, or an auto flush, unplug it. Next, take the lid off of the generator and you'll see the PC board. In the middle of the PC board is the molex cable, 6 wires into a rectangular sleeve. Unplug that from its 6-sectioned connector and put it out of the way. Next, unplug from the PC board the green wire that is grounded and the purple wire that is connected to the water level probe. Now all that's left is to remove the PC board from the generator. But how do you get these things off? Simply use the screwdriver to press this fin into the little white clip there while pressing up from underneath the PC board with your finger. There should be 8 of these little white pins holding down the board. Repeat this step with each of them. Here is your new PC board. Now to install, simply push it down over the white clips until the fins pop out one by one. Next, replace all the wires and connections you removed from the old board. Here's the grounded green wire. Here's the purple wire from the water level probe. Here's the molex cable with its 6-section sleeve. Here's the connector from the controller. Now we're ready to turn the power on from the circuit breaker. Let's just test this generator to make sure everything works before we close it up. You can do so without even using the controller. This little white button is an on-off switch that will turn on the generator for 10 minutes. If you push it a second time, it'll shut off the generator before the 10 minutes are up. All you need to do now is put the lid back on the generator and you're good to go. This is Lakidra. Thanks for watching.